Standard 4 Math, Chapter number 2, Long and Short, Math Magic Practice Book, page number 10, Assignment 3. Conversion of bigger units of length into smaller unit. To convert the length from a bigger unit into smaller unit, we multiply by the relevant 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Means if we want to convert smaller to bigger, we will multiply 1 meter into bigger to smaller, we will multiply 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So if we want to convert meter into centimeter, we will multiply the digit by 100. One example is here. See, convert the following into centimeters. 2 meter, so 2 into 100. Why multiply by 100? Because we have to convert in centimeter, and 2 meter is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. B, 5 meter. So what we will do to convert into centimeter? We will write 5 multiply by 100. We have to check the unit. We have to convert in centimeter, meter into centimeter. So that is why we will multiply the digit by 100. So 5 into 100, 500 centimeter. C, 9 meter. So 9 multiplied by 100 is equal to 900 centimeter. Like that same D, E and F. So 12 meter is equal to 1200 centimeter. 14 meter is equal to 1400 centimeter and 27 meter is equal to 2700 centimeter. Question number 2. Convert the following into smaller unit. Smaller unit. Meter and centimeter is given. Which is the smaller unit? Meter or centimeter? Centimeter is the smaller unit. So we have to convert this in the centimeter. One is done first. 5 meter 32 centimeter. So they convert meter into centimeter. 32 is already smaller unit centimeter. So no need to convert 32 but 5 meter. So meter into centimeter, 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter and 32 as it is, and then we'll add both. Like that we'll do this. Here 54 centimeter is already there, so we have to convert meter into centimeter. So to convert 19 meter into centimeter, 19 multiply by 100 centimeter plus 54 centimeter. 19 is equal to 1900 centimeter plus 54 centimeter. So 1954 centimeter. Simple thing, we have to add this only. C, 34 meter 72 centimeter. We have to convert in smaller unit. So smaller is meter or centimeter? Centimeter. So 72 centimeter will remain as it is, but we have to convert 34 meter into centimeter. So 34 meter, 34 into 100 plus 72. So 3400 plus 72, 3472 centimeter. D, 42 meter 60 centimeter. So same, 42 into 100 plus 60. So 4200 plus 60 is equal to 4260 centimeter. Same here. See, it is 5 only. No problem. We have to convert meter into centimeter and centimeter will remain as it is. 129 multiply by 100 plus just write 05. Then 129 plus 05. So if we will add this 129, 0 plus 0 0 and 0 plus 5 5. So 12,905 centimeter. Same here. 372 multiply by 100 plus 56 is equal to 372. Then we'll add 20. So it is 37,200 centimeter plus 56. So simply we will add 56 centimeter. So how to read? 37,256 centimeter. Assignment 4. Conversion of smaller unit to length into bigger unit. Now we have to convert in the bigger unit. Whenever we have to convert into smaller unit, we will multiply, and smaller to bigger, that time we will do divide like this. If we will go this side, then multiplication, but if we will go this side, then division. So meter to centimeter, then multiplication, but centimeter to meter, that time we will do division. So here one is done for us. Convert the following into meter. See, 300 centimeter we have to convert in meter. So 300 divided by 100. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So that is why 300 divided by 100. Same 700 centimeter. So we will do here 700. Directly we can do by 100. Meter is equal to 0 cancel 7 meter. Here 900 by 100, 0 cancel. So 9 meter. Downside, number 2, convert the following into meters and centimeter. Now we have to convert in meter and centimeter. Meter and centimeter. See here, but centimeter here only centimeter is given. We have to convert in meter and centimeter. It is in only in smaller unit. So bigger unit में convert करने के लिए एक नंबर को divide तो करना पड़ेगा. In centimeter there is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 20 short में 20 100 has 20. So पीछे से 2 number है ना, that we have to take out. See here 75 as it is and 8. Here we can do 2 plus 78. So 200 centimeter plus 78 centimeter. ऐसे अलग करो. Then 200 centimeter convert in meter. So 200 divide by 100 plus 78 centimeter as it is. So 0 cancel 2 meter 78 centimeter. 2 meter and 78 centimeter. We have to convert meter and centimeter. So first we'll divide this one. See, let's do here 700 plus 29. In 1 meter 100 centimeter 20 in short. सेंटीमीटर में 20 है तो पीछे से ओनली 2 नंबर ही निकालो, दैट इज़ ओनली सेंटीमीटर. 2 नंबर ही सेंटीमीटर होगी, आगे के पूरे मीटर्स. सो 700 सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए टू कन्वर्ट इन मीटर 700 डिवाइड 700 बाई 100 प्लस 29. सो 7 मीटर 29 सेंटीमीटर. डी 9825 सिंपल. वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इन मीटर एंड सेंटीमीटर. उसको डिवाइड करो 98. इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस 2 विल राइट 20 प्लस 25 एज इट इज. देन सिंपल है, डिवाइड बाय 100 एंड 25 एज इट इज. 25 क्यों एज इट इज? बिकॉज इट इज इन सेंटीमीटर हियर ओनली. हियर 98 मीटर 25 सेंटीमीटर. कोई भी नंबर है, हाउ कैन वी सी डायरेक्टली? उसको देख के कैसे समझ में? यस, इट इज़ वेरी इजी. इन 1 मीटर 100 सेंटीमीटर आई ऑलरेडी टॉट यू. वंस अगेन 100 सेंटीमीटर हैज़ 2 0. सो पीछे से 2 नंबर है वो निकालो, दैट इज़ ओनली सेंटीमीटर. आगे के पूरे नंबर मीटर में. सो डायरेक्टली वी कैन से 134 मीटर 25 सेंटीमीटर. हियर two number only centimeter. So 368 meter 15 centimeter. Here 2 number nikalo, so 25 meter 16 centimeter. Here 275 meter 41 centimeter, and this side 404 meter 4 centimeter. Let's write how it is. So 134, instead of this 2 we'll write 0 0 and 25, because we have to convert in meter and centimeter. So meter भी आना चाहिए ना, जो सेंटीमीटर है divide by 100, then 0 0 cancel, so 134 meter 25 centimeter. Same here, 368 0 0 plus 15, so 3600800 डिवाइड बाय 100. इस नंबर को हमको मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है. वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस नंबर इन मीटर. प्लस 15, 0 कैंसल 0 कैंसल, सो what is remaining here? 368 meter and 15 centimeter. Then here 25, then instead of 11600 plus 16, then to convert this 2500 into meter, that we will divide by 100 plus 16, so 0 cancel 0 cancel, 25 meter 16 centimeter. Same here, 275, and we'll add 20 plus 41 to convert 27,500 into meter. We will divide the number by 100 plus 41, 0 cancel 0 cancel, 275 meter 41 centimeter. And same here, 404 पहले लिखो और लास्ट 2 डिजिट दैट इज 0, एंड देन प्लस करके वो डिजिट. देन जो सेंटीमीटर है दैट वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इन मीटर, एंड विल रिमेन दिस एज इट इज 404 meter 4 centimeter. Next page, assignment 5, conversion of meters into kilometer and vice versa. See, we have to now convert in kilometer and meter. So here 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Before this I taught you kilometer to meter, bigger to smaller we will multiply, but smaller to bigger we will divide. Same formula, but in meter centimeter there is 200 has 2 0, 1000 has 3 0. So instead of 2 number we will take 3 digits from one's place, from right side. See here, convert the following into kilometers and or kilometers and meter. Convert in kilometer or kilometers and meter. Here one has done for us 12,050 meter. Meter है, only meter we have to convert in kilometer. Kilometer and meter. Meter is given. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 1000 has how many 0? 3 0. So 1 2 and 3 digit cut करो. आगे कितने 12. So write 12 and instead of this digit 1230 meter plus 50 meter. Then to convert this meter into kilometer we will divide by 1000. Meter centimeter we divided by 100. Here kilometer meter we will divide by 1000. Simple. So 12 kilometer 50 meter. Let's do here. It is meter. Only meter. So to convert 4000 meter we will divide this number by 1000. So 0 cancel 0 cancel. Directly 1 0 2 0 3 0 also we can cancel. So 4 kilometer. It is easy. Then 7000. So 7000 meter divide by 1000. So 0 cancel 0 cancel 0 cancel. What is remain here? 7. So 7 kilometer. Here same 2000. So we will divide the 2000 by 1000. Let's do here 2000 by 1000. Why we are dividing by 1000? Because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 3030 will cancel, 2 remain, so 2 kilometer. Now here we have to convert in kilometer and meter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 मीटर. सो थ्री नंबर्स कट करेंगे, 3 नंबर्स मीटर होंगे, आगे के 2 नंबर किलोमीटर. हाउ? लेट्स डू 23. इंस्टेड ऑफ 3 we'll write this 0 plus 805 as it is. Then we will divide this digit by 1000 because we have to convert this digit in kilometer. Then 0 cancel, 0 cancel. 23 kilometer 805 मीटर. इन मीटर सेंटीमीटर पीछे के 2 डिजिट रहते थे ना. नाउ हियर किलोमीटर एंड मीटर 3 डिजिट. यहाँ 3 डिजिट कट करेंगे. सो 34 देन 000 प्लस 750. सो नेक्स्ट व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल डिवाइड दिस डिजिट बाय 1000 प्लस 750. 0 cancel, 0 cancel. So 34 kilometer 750 meter. Question number 2. Convert the following into meter. We have to convert only in meter and it is given in kilometer and meter. See here we have to convert only in smaller unit. Only in smaller unit. So 29 kilometers. So to convert in meter, we will multiply by 1000. So 29,000 plus 54. 29 plus 1000 plus 54. We will get 29,054 meter. Here only 17 kilometer. So 17 kilometer multiply by 1000 meter. So 17,000 meter. Here 23 kilometer. So to convert 23 kilometer into meter, we will convert this number by 1000. So 23,000 meter. Here 8 kilometer. So 8 multiply by 1000. So 8,000 meter. Here now 44 kilometer and 172 meter. So meter already it is there, but kilometer we have to convert in meter. So to convert 44 kilometer into meter, we will multiply this digit by 1000 and 172 will remain as it is. 44,000 plus 172. So addition 44,172 meter. Here kilometer meter is already, we have to convert this kilometer into meter. 136 multiply by 1000 plus 73. So and then we'll add 30 plus 73. Now if we will add these digits, 73 ऐड करेंगे. So 0 plus 3 3, 0 plus 7 7, then will 0 remain, 6 3 and 1 meter. Assignment 6. Addition of measure of length. Here we add the metric measures in the same manner as we add ordinary numbers. Simple addition करना है. We will do the simple addition. First A, meter and centimeter. How to add meter and centimeter? Simple addition that you all knows. 4 plus 5 9, 4 plus 3 7, 8 plus 5 it is 13. 8 plus 5 13. This you have to learn beta. 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 3 is here and 1 is carrying forward. 3, 4 and 5. So 53 meter 79 centimeter. Like this, 5 plus 3 8, 0 plus 7 7, 5 plus 3 8, 87 meter 80 centimeter. Here in C, 9 plus 2 11. So 1 is here, 1 is carrying forward. Simple ordinary addition we are doing, same addition we have to do here. We have to carry forward also. Then 7 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8, 4 plus 2, 6 and 7 plus 5, 12. These are the ordinary addition. So this you can do in your workbook, in your practice book on page number 13. Assignment 7. Add the following by converting into centimeter. We have to first convert into centimeter and then we will add. Add the following by converting into centimeter. Both we can do. First we can add and then we can convert. Otherwise first we will convert and then add. Both way is easy and both ways are right. Both way are right. So simple. This one and this one. And if and will come, so we have to do the addition. When and will come, that time we will do addition. So it is very simple. In conversion, 523, 5 meter 23 centimeter. So 523 centimeter. 19 and 54, so 1954 centimeter. Directly we can write 523 centimeter plus 19 it is. So like this we can write 54 centimeter. If you don't know how to write from here, so you can write from ones place also. 4 plus 3 7, 5 plus 2 7, 9 plus 5 it is 14, 1 is carrying forward, 1 and 1 2. So 2477 centimeter. Second number, let's do here. Directly we can convert in the centimeter. Now centimeter has 2 0. Here only one number is given. So 22 meter centimeter में convert करना है. So 2200 it will be. And 2200 plus 5, so 0 will come. Centimeter plus. Same here, 55 meters. So 5500 plus 8. So 5500 plus 8. So it is 5508 centimeter. Then let's add 8 plus 5 13. 1 is carrying forward. Then 1 plus 0 1. 5 plus 2 7. Then 7. So 7713 centimeter. Next, same, it is 45 meters. So 4500. First we will convert 4500 plus 1. So 4401 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. 1 5 4 9. How to read this one? 9451 or 9451 centimeter. Let's 100 meter 100 centimeter. So simply we can write 100 meter, convert karo. So 100, then we'll add 20, then add 10. So this is, we are converting 1 meter 1 centimeter. So how to write 1 meter 1 centimeter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 100 plus 1, 101 centimeter. So here 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1. So this is the centimeter. How we did? Once again 1 meter 1 centimeter. So if we convert 1 meter, so 100 meter plus 1, so it is 101. So that is why 1 meter 1 centimeter is equal to 101 centimeter. Question number 2. Same it is, converting by meter. Now in kilometer and meter we have to convert in meter. Simple. In converting kilometer and meter, 1 kilometer 1000 meter. So 3 numbers, 30. Here 15 kilometer 15,000 meter and here 56. So 10 we have to add, plus 24 kilometer 500 meter. So 24 and 500 meter. 6, 5, 5, 9 and 3. 39,556. Same here. 417 kilometer only it is given, and this number. So it is very easy. How many zero we will add? 30 to convert in meter. Okay. Plus, and means plus 45 kilometers. So 45,000 meter plus 19. 45,000 plus 19. Let's write 45,019 meter. Okay. 45,090. So 45,019 we will write like this. Then addition, 7 plus 5, 12, 4, 5, 6 and 4 meter. Okay. So we can say 462 kilometer 90 meter. And two more sums C and D with the same method that you can write in the workbook. Next, assignment 8, subtraction. Subtract the following by converting into centimeter. Centimeter, we have to convert this into centimeter. 7234, it is easy. Minus 9 meter to 28 centimeter. Two digit already in centimeter, so 928 centimeter. Then subtraction. 4 minus 8 is possible? No, it's not possible. So we have to borrow 1/10 from this. So 4 plus 10, 14 and 3 has remained 2. 14 minus 8. Directly can you say the answer? If you don't know, no problem. We'll start from 8 till 14. So 8 से start करो. 8 after until 14. So it's a 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many are there? 6. 2 minus 2, 0. Again 2 minus 9 is not possible. So we'll borrow 1/10 from 7. 7 has remained 6. 12 minus 9. 9 से 10, 11 and 12. And 6 minus nothing means 0. So 6,306 means 63 meter 6 centimeter. Same we will convert this number. 43 meter 77 centimeter minus 29 meter 68 centimeter. Subtraction. 7 minus 8 is not possible. We have to borrow 1/10. So if we will borrow 17 and here 6. 17 minus 8 it is 9. 6 minus 6 0. Now 3 minus 9 is not possible. So again we have to borrow 1/10 from 4 and 4 has remained 3. 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9, let's count. 9 say 10, 11, 12 and 13. 4 and 3 minus 2, 1. 1409 centimeter. C and D are with the same method. Now question number 2. Subtract the following by converting into meters. We have to convert this into meter. Now in subtraction, in addition, if and word come, then we are adding. Then from means we have to do the subtraction. But in subtraction, from means 95 kilometer 815 meter from 102 kilometer 920 centimeter 27 meter. So from के बाद जो नंबर आता है that will come first. In subtraction, which number will write? We have to write up जो नंबर from के बाद आता है. Which number? The number comes after from, that we will write first. So 102 kilometer 920 centimeter 27 centimeter we have to convert in meter. It is very easy. 102 then 927 meter minus 95 kilometer and 815 meter. Then we will subtract. 7 minus 5 2, 2 minus 1 1, 9 minus 8 1. 2 minus 5 is not possible, so we have to borrow 1/10, but it has 0. So this will give here 1/10 but this tens will give, so it has remained 9 and it has remained 0. 12 minus 5, so 7. 9 minus 9, 0, 0. So answer is 7112 meter. Same method in B. From के बाद वाला number first 90 kilometer 900 meter minus 77 kilometer 707 meter. 0 minus 7 is possible, not possible. ये 0 यहाँ गया, but it has also 0. So this 9 will give 1 tens to here, but this tens has to give 1 10 here. So 10 has remained 9, 9 has remained 8. Subtraction, do you all know? Story बना के subtraction करो. 10 minus 7, it is 3. 9 minus 0, 9. 8 minus 7, 1. Again 0 minus 7, it's not possible. So this 9 will give 1 tens here and 9 has remained 8. 10 minus 7, 3 and 8 minus 7, 1. So 13 kilometer 193 meter. C and D also with the same method, converting into meter, and then we will do the subtraction. So do these assignments in your workbook.